Most common liver tumor is secondaries. Commonest site of brachial cyst is upper one-third of sternocleidomastoideo muscle. Mode of metastasis of basal cell carcinoma direct. Lymph node metastasis is seen with which thyroid CA follicular carcinoma thyroid. Conduction which may present with biliary vomiting is atresia of third part of duodenum. Neonate with scapuloid abdomen and respiratory distress have diaphragmatic hernia. Meckel's diverticulum is derived of vitellointestinal duct. Most common primary tumor of liver is hemangioma. Most common site of obstruction in gallstone ileus is iliocaecal junction. Common cause of death due to acute pancreatitis is shock. First symptom of TB kidney is increased frequency. Most common cause of cellulitis is Streptococcus. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome type 1 tumor of which cell is G cells. Drug of choice for estrogen receptor positive breast cancer is tamoxifen. Pancreatic pseudocyst most commonly occurs after pancreatitis. Painless gross hematuria occurs in renal cell carcinoma. Addison's test is done for cervical rib. Poor prognosis lung carcinoma, small cell CA. Marker of small cell CA of lung is chromogranin. Most common tumor is undescended testis seminoma. Commonest site of secondary metastasis in choriocarcinoma, lungs. Most common site of rodent ulcer is face. First structure to be repaired in case of hand injuries, bone. FNAC is not useful in which type of thyroid carcinoma? Follicular. Serum calcitonin is a marker for which tumor? Thyroid tumor. Medullary carcinoma. Thyroid carcinoma which pulsatile vascular skeleton metastasis is follicular. Hertel cells are seen in Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Paget's disease of nipple is treated by biopsy and simple mastectomy. Most common pre-malignant condition of oral cavity carcinoma is leukoplakia. Treatment of Zerner's diverticulum is simple excision. Best prognosis in carcinoma stomach in which superficial spreading type. Distended abdomen in intestinal obstruction as due to swallowed air. Perineal hematoma is due to rupture of which part of ureter bulbar. Kerr sign is splenic injury is defined as pain over left shoulder. Charcot is fever, jaundice and pain. Preferred treatment modality of annular pancreas duodenojejunectomy. Narrowest part of male urethra is external urethral meatus. Symptom of medullary sponge kidney is UTI. Most content in hernia N glycide is sigmoid colon. Most common site of enlargement of lymph node in Hodgkin's lymphoma is cervical. Extradural hematoma indicates rupture of middle meningeal artery. Most common retroperitoneal sarcoma, liposarcoma. Best treatment modality for Warthin's tumor is superficial paroidectomy. Malignancy of parotid gland which spreads through the neural sheath, adenoid cyst carcinoma. Tropoid fracture is related to which bone? Zygomatic. Thyroid carcinoma having best prognosis, papillary carcinomas. Malignancy that develops in case of long-standing goiter is follicular carcinoma. Matches thigh is injury to major vessels in groin, thigh. Treatment of choice in ductal papilloma of breast is microdoectomy. Variant of breast carcinoma which is multicentric and bilateral is lobular. Most common site of rhabdomyosarcoma is orbit. Neoadjuvant chemotherapy used in esophageal carcinoma is cisplatin. Most common site of actinomyces face. Phantom limb follows which rule? Law of projection. Most common cause of small intestine obstruction is iatrogenic adenosis. Commonest malignancy of small intestine is leiomyomas. Colon cancer is more common in people consuming high fat diet. Vitamin deficiency in short bowel syndrome is B12. Paradoxical aciduria can be seen in pyloric stenosis. Hourglass deformity of stomach is seen in gastric CA. 24-hour pH monitoring is gold standard investigation of reflux esophagitis. Most common complication of ictus hernia is esophagitis. Triad of renal colic swelling in loin which disappear after passing urine dialysis crisis. Splenoectomy is most useful in hereditary spherocytosis. Absolute contraindication for IVP is allergy to the drug. Hellas operation is done for achalasia cardia. Hemangioma which resolves spontaneously. Strawberry angioma. Axillary flap carries its own vessels with it. Most common site of thyroglossal cyst is subhyoid. Carcinoma of buccal mucosa commonly drained to the submandibular lymph nodes. Treatment of philomorphic adenoma of parotid, superficial parotidectomy. Variant of soft tissue sarcoma which shows a lymph node metastasis is angiosarcoma. Thyroid carcinoma associated with MEN 2 syndrome, medullary carcinoma thyroid. Screening marker for medullary carcinoma thyroid is serum calcitonin. Hyoid bone is related to which cyst? Thyroglossal cyst. Most common site of Gladstone impaction is proximal to iliacacal junction. Treatment of choice for silent stone in gallbladder is cholecystectomy. Basalt abscess is seen in relation to which muscle? Sternomastoid. Treatment of pseudopancreatic cyst is observation. Frey syndrome is associated with surgeries on which gland? Parotid. Most common malignant tumor parotid, mucoepidermoid, CA. Dentigerous cyst arise from unerected tooth. Graft between monozygote twins is known as isograft. Orthobaric oxygen is used to carbon dioxide poisoning. Orthobaric oxygen is used in cyanide poisoning. Most common cancer in India is CA oral cavity. Gleason staging is used for prostatic CA. Beta-2 microglobinemia is marker for prognosis is multiple myeloma. Splitting is a method of choice for the treatment of burns over limbs thorax. Most common site of ciliolithiasis is submandibular gland. Meralgia paresthesia involves which nerve? Lateral cutaneous nerve. Sago spleen is seen in amyloidosis of spleen. Most malignant testicular tumor is choriocarcinoma. Most common testicular tumor is seminoma. Most common infection in patients after splenectomy, pneumococcus. Most common site of peptic ulcer is first part of duodenum. Aspirin tumor is another name for osteoid osteoma. What percentage of body surface area involved in burns of the perineal region? 1%. Which type of gallstones are commonly seen in hemolytic anemia? Pigment stones. Which metabolic abnormality is noticed in hypertrophic pyloric stenosis? Metabolic alkalosis. Positive Adanson test is disappear of the radial pulse on the turning on the head of the head to same side. Osteomyelitis in most common occurs which region of the bone? Metaphysis. Most common developed anomaly of a face is cleft lip. Deep lingual ring is defect in the transversus vesica. Most common primary brain tumor is astrocytoma. Spider leg appearance on IVP suggests on polycystic kidney. Prostate CA spreads to vertebral column via which plexus? Batson's plexus. Other head appearance on IVP suggests uretrociliary. Most common site of carcinoma of tongue is lateral margin. 1% of body surface area involved in the burns of palm. What is the content of Littrus hernia? Meckelus diaviculum. First fluid preferred in burns patient is crystalloid lingual laterites. Clean and small wound heals by primary intonation. What is the cause of decidual luceria? Aberrant right subclavicular artery. Most common benign liver tumor is hemangioma. Radiolucent renal stone is uric acid. Most common secondary bony malignancy in retinoblastoma is osteosarcoma. Most common testicular tumor is seminoma. Earliest complication of ileostomy is necrosis. Spontaneous rupture of esophagus is known as Bouvier syndrome. Hernia, which highest rate of strangulation? Femoral. Devon shunt is used case of refractic ascites. Staghorn calculus associated with Proteus infection or composed of triple phosphate. Rome 2 criteria is used to classify functional of gastrointestinal disorders, irritable bowel syndrome, functional dyspeptic, etc. Infection associated with washing of endoscope with unclean tap water is M. cilioni. Cervical lymphadenopathy is commoner in which variety of thyroid carcinoma papillary. Pharyngeal maneuver is used to control bleed from hepatic artery. What is the margin of healthy tissue which should be excised in breast conservative surgery is 1 centimeter. Injections of cassava causes chronic tropical pancreatitis. Pseudo obstruction in intestine is known as Ogilvie's syndrome. Isotope of iodine used for managing carcinoma thyroid is iodine. Most common site of basal cell carcinoma of lip is upper lip. Merciless diverticulum forms wall in case of which type of hernia? Litrus hernia. Which nerve can be injured as the result of fractured neck of fibula? Common perineal nerve. Nerve invasion is seen which type of parotid carcinoma? Adenoid cyst. Watham's tumor is a tumor of which gland? Parotid. Cause of death is yearly period in born patient is hypovolemic shock. Fustrous retinopathy is due to acute pancreatitis. Nephrotic fluid of polytraumatized patient with shock is normal saline. Initial management of rectal prolapse in children is digital repositioning. Most common site of amoebosis in gut is caecum. Most common type of hernia to strangulate femoral. Most common complication of Merkel's diverticulum in adult is intestinal obstruction. Most common rate of complication of traumatic rupture of urethra is stricture. Testicular malignancy commonest is undescended testis is seminoma. Tumor prostate carcinoma metastasizes most frequently to pelvics. Tumor marker associated with carcinoma prostate is prostate specific antigen acidic phosphatase. Transactional cell carcinoma of urinary bladder is common in alanine factory workers. Harvey sign is checking direction of a venous blood flow. Mercedes-Benz sign or seagull sign is seen in air in gallstones. IV antibiotics for prophylaxis surgery should be given half an hour before the surgical along with pre-anesthetic medication. On 7th post-operative day, abdominal wound shows pink serosanguinous discharge suggest burst abdomen. Gastrojejunostomy without spillage of contents is clean and contaminated. Treatment of hydrocephalus in children is hernioctomy. What is the cause of death due to acute pancreatitis sepsis? Bisalod abscess is related to which muscle? Sternocleidomastoideus mastoideus. Raynaud's phenomena is associated with scleroderma. Serum acid phosphatase is increased in prostatic carcinoma. Commonest complication of pseudopancreatic cyst is infection. Isograft is formed twins with the same genetic makeup. True adenocarcinoma of esophagus is most likely due to Barrett's esophagus. Popcorn classification in lung nodule in pathognomic of pulmonary hematoma. Poorest prognosis in lung cancer is associated with subtype of small cell. Most common parotid tumor is pleomorphic adenoma. Source of bleeding in duodenal ulcer is gastroduodenal. Meckel's diverticulum is remnant of vitellointestinal duct. Most common site of colorectal carcinoma is gallstones. Most common site of colorectal carcinoma is rectum. Most common cause of acute pancreatitis is gallstone. Most common site of pancreatic carcinoma is head. Most common site of gastrinoma duodenum. Whipple stride is seen in insulinoma. Most common cause of overwhelming post-splenectomy infection is Streptococcus pneumococcus. Union of superior mesenteric spleen vein forms portal vein. Anchovy sauce pus is seen in amoeboic liver abscess. Pear technique is used for management of iodide cyst. Most common maker of hepatocellular carcinoma is alpha fetoprotein. Meckel's diverticulum is remnant of vitellointestinal duct. Most common site of colorectal carcinoma is rectum. Most common cause of acute pancreatitis is gallstones. Most common site of pancreatic carcinoma is head. Most common site of gastrinoma is duodenum. Whipple stride is seen in insulinoma. Most common of overwhelming post-splenectomy infection is Streptococcus pneumonia. Union of superior mesenteric splenic veins from portal vein. Hankovic sauce pus is seen in amoeboid liver abscess. PAR technique is used in management of iodoid cyst. Most common maker of hepatocellular carcinoma is alpha-beta protein. Subtype of hepatocellular carcinoma carrying best prognosis is fibrolamellar. Most common cause of obstructive jaundice is CBD stone. Stone which grows in alkaline urine is truvative. Most common type of renal cell carcinoma is clear cell CA. Schistosomias may predispose to squamous type of urinary bladder carcinoma. Thimble bladder is suggestive of infection, TB infection. Most common cause of urinary obstruction in male infant is posterior urethral valve. Most common carcinoma of testis in young age group is teratoma. Prostate carcinoma arises from peripheral zone. Metastatic of prostate carcinoma to vertebrate is through Batson's. Triad of pain, jaundice and melena is seen in hemophilia. Most common endocrine tumor of pancreas is insulinoma. Management of annular pancreas is duodenojejunectomy. Jejunectomy. Fluid of choice of Bowen's patient is ringer lactate. Palmar surface of hand represent 1%. Most common vessels affected Brugger's disease is small and medium size arteries. Nicolodine Brahman sign is seen in arteriovenous fistula. Best guided to check adequate of fluid replacement is urine output. Most common complication of pseudopancreatic cyst is infection. Most common rupture organ in blunt injury to abdomen spleen. Charcot triad is seen in acute cholangitis. Best way to diagnose gallbladder stone is USG. Reverse 3 sign on barium studies is seen in CA head of pancreas. His-Foger's disease is diagnosed by rectal biopsy. Most common cause of peptic ulcer disease is H. pylori. Metallic disturbance seen with pyloric stenosis, hypochloremic, hypokalemic, metabolic alkalosis. Oshner-Schiener regime is used for appendicular lump. Most common type of vulvus is sigmoid colon. Sister Mary Joseph nodal is commonly used seen in gastric CA. Spilinglia ernia is seen with the level of arcuate line. Investigation of choice for vesicoureteral reflex is MCUG, VCUG. Example of radiolucent stone is uric acid. Hadar head appearance on excretory urography is seen in ureterocele. Lotz and Javoli procedure is done for hydrocele. Goff-Hole ureteric orifice is seen in TB. Most common type of hypospadiasis is glandular. Amyloid deposition is seen in medullary. Most common type of breast carcinoma is ductal. Most common route of infection to liver ascending from biliary tract. Components of stains, tried gallstones, istus hernia and diverticulosis. Most common site of gallstone ileus is ileum. Meniscus sign on cholangiography is seen in CBD stone. Type 4 collagen is found in basement membrane. Hypokalemia with hypertension is the future of primary hyperaldosteronism Conn's syndrome. Neuromuscular irritability is the future of hypocalcemia. Flask-shaped ulcers in GIT is amoeboid liver abscess. Investigation of choice for a lump is biopsy. Investigation of choice for acute cholecystosis is HIDA scan. Second is USG. Lotz pilication is done for hydrocele. Most predisposing factor for carcinoma of gallbladder is gallstones. Least malignant thyroid tumor is papillary. Heparin ligature operation is done for aneurysm. Most common site of twirling ulcer is stomach. Skip lesions are feature of Conn's disease. Smoking may predispose to squamous type of urinary bladder carcinoma. Which vaccine is indicated in the carcinoma urinary bladder BCG? Duke's classification is employed for rectal CA. Most common carcinoma of the testis in young age group teratoma. Benign prostate hyperplasia arises from periurethral zone. Best way to prevent DVT post-operative period apparent. Triad of pain, jaundice and fever is seen in acute cholangitis. Gas used for creating pneumoperitoneum is carbon dioxide. Most common organism associated with emphysematous pyelonephritis is E. coli. Inventrograma is done for Anorectal malformation imperforate anus. Diagnosis of vesicoureteric reflux is MCUG and VCUG. Chronic browing ulcer is caused by microaerophilic streptococci. Communicative tract between two epithelial surfaces is known as fistula. Unterminated edge is seen in TB. Epidural hematoma is because of rupture of middle meningeal artery. Lisopharynx amputation is through which level of foot is tarsometatarsal. Vitamin K dependent factors are factor 2, 7, 9 and 10. Union of superior mesenteric splenic veins from portal vein behind neck of pancreas. Cleft lip operation is done at 3 to 6 months. What is the most common cause of upper GI bleed is peptic ulcer disease. What is the percentage of body surface area involved in head and face burn? 9%. Burst abdomen occurs most common which day? 7th day. Cellulitis is most common seen in which gland? Submandibular.